Hello everyone and welcome. In this tutorial, we present the Balance Sheet and Profit and Loss Structure Advanced Report, a new implementation of the classic report, but with some important improvements. This report evolves by offering a more flexible, in-depth financial analysis that adapts to the needs of each organization. Among its main improvements are, first, the expanded accounting dimension filters. You can now apply all available dimensions: business partner, product, first and second dimension, project, activity, sales region, campaign, and cost center. Additionally, each filter allows the selection of multiple options simultaneously, enabling customized reports and much more precise accounting analysis. Second, the multi-year comparison. This feature allows for the analysis of up to 4 years in parallel, with the option to define specific periods and dates. This makes it easier to identify patterns, evaluate trends, and analyze the company's financial progress. Let's see an example. Suppose we need to compare the sales of the first quarter from the last 3 years for certain products and a specific customer. We access Application, Financial Management, Accounting, Analysis Tools, Balance Sheet, and P&L Structure Advanced. We select the ledger, in this example, the dollar scheme. We define the report type as Profit and Loss, choose the organization F&B/US, and select the desired account level, in this case, just account. We just want to show accounts with values and also show the account numbers. Now for this example, we will apply the corresponding product and business partner filters. For example, we select 3 specific products that we want to analyze and only 1 business partner to evaluate sales with greater detail. Now we set up the year comparison, establishing the initial year 2021 and the reference years 2020 and 2019. And finally, we set the dates for the first quarter of each year to obtain these specific data. Now we can directly view the report result in the system or export it as PDF or Excel. When viewing the report, we see revenue, expenses, and net results for the selected products and clients compared side by side over 3 years. Revenue shows a growth from $249,000 in 2019 to $275,000 in 2020, followed by a sharp drop to $173,000 in 2021. The costs follow a similar trend. The net result went from $83,000 in 2019 to $92,000 in 2020, but dropped to $58,000 in 2021. In summary, there was a positive performance in 2019 and 2020, but the last year shows a significant drop in sales and profitability, requiring an analysis of causes and corrective actions. This example was just a showcase of what can be achieved. With the additional dimensions available, it's possible to delve much deeper. For instance, analyzing profitability by cost centers to identify which areas of the company generate more value, or comparing results between different sales regions to spot territories with better performance or growth opportunities. Specific marketing campaigns can also be evaluated by measuring their real impact on revenue and margins and comparing campaigns across different years. In essence, it not only allows us to see the evolution of revenue and results over time, but also to open multiple angles for strategic analysis. To access this feature, you need the Financial Extensions bundle and must be using Etendo 23 or later versions. We hope this video is helpful. For more information, you can check the documentation in the description. See you in the next video.